Hi everybody, it's your boy John reporting from the Millinery Association of Australia's stand at the Royal Easter Show. I have this fabulous hat on and we're kind of closing up for the day. It's been a lovely day. I've been on the stand with Catherine from Embellish, and I mean, as you can see behind me, there is a lot of amazing milliners here on the stand. So what I'm going to do is I am going to cut to a little bit of everybody, and you'll be able to see all the milliners' individual work. Okay, so not to play favourites at all because there are so many fabulous milliners here, but I just wanted to show you this one. Now this is by Olivia Durr, and I just want to, like, look, there's little zebras on it. How cool is that? So that is a cute one. I also wanted to show you this one because this is stunning. You can see my double chin. How gorgeous is this? And if we look at it from this side as well, so you'll be able to see the back. So it sits on the back of the head. But I mean, oh, and this one I'm in awe with, like this, by Rebecca Hanley. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I mean, like I said, all the hats here are gorgeous, and I mean, this is just the millinery display. Those three are kind of like the three that I'm like, oh, I wish I had that technicality to be able to make. But I'll just quickly show you mine. So this is mine. Oh, I mean, she's looking a little bright. So that is mine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pack up here, turn off the TV, and then show you what's in the cabinets. In fact, where's the camera on this? Because I'm used to using my DSLR. Ah, it's there. There's the camera. So I shall see you in a second. Okay, so now I am here at these are the competition entries. So we have spring racing in here, and I think this is one of mine. And here's a highly commended. So this is spring. That is a really bad shot. I believe this is winter, which I will go through them all individually so you can actually see. We have Avant-Garde, which mine is at the back there as well, and I believe that this is the student as well. So what I'm going to do is film a little bit without me speaking, so you get to see my close-up of my face, and I'll show you some pieces once I've gone through this. So there you go, that is my time at the Millinery Association of Australia's display at the Royal Easter Show. So I'm going to talk a little bit about my experiences with the Millinery Association of Australia. However, before I do, I just want to say, yes, I am affiliated because I am a student member. So that is, I do have to clear that up. But I will say, anything I've said in this video and anything I'm going to say carry on in this video my opinions. I haven't been asked to say anything, I haven't been paid for this, so just to adhere to YouTuber, influencer kind of guidelines when it comes to promotion. I just have to adhere to that, so you know, I just clarify that. So my time, great. I loved every second of working on the display. It was a lot of fun. I got to talk to a lot of people. It was just so nice to be in a group of people who were all passionate, who were all dedicated to millinery. I even said to somebody, I was like, I kind of finally feel like I found my millinery tribe. Now, that's no disrespect to anybody back home, and I have made some really good friends back home in the millinery industry, but I feel that people here tend to be a little bit more open and sharing with knowledge, with time, with conversation. I feel back home there is definitely a number of people that are trying to gatekeep the industry, and yeah, so that's just my point of view on that, really. I'm not going to go into any more details on that, but yes, if you are in Australia and you want to join the association, I will leave their website in the description box below. I mean, I've attended a Zoom meeting, I had several conversations with people, and everybody so far seems to be just open and friendly, and you know, it's everything I was kind of looking for in a sort of like a millinery guild association, whatever you may want to call it. I just want to say a massive thank you to the Millinery Association of Australia for allowing me to become a member and for helping me find that tribe, and for also putting on this amazing display. We did share the display with the Quilling Society. Now, I probably got that name wrong, and I do have someone's business card somewhere, and I will link everything in the description box below as well. But we did share the stand with the Quillers, and some lovely ladies were demoing the quilling techniques. They had a wonderful display on the other side of where we were. Standout pieces were the tea set all made out of quilled paper. There was a shoe, a handbag and a fascinator, all made out of quilled paper. There was cockatoos, sort of like big cockatoos everywhere. It was just like the things that people can put together out of just paper. It was like, wow, this is amazing. So I just want to give them a big shout out. And also, would you guys be down for seeing if I can incorporate quilling in a millinery piece? Not made out of paper, made out of millinery materials. Let me know in the comments down below if you think that's something that you would want to see. I just want to quickly say thank you to Reggie, who is one of my ongoing patrons. Thank you so much for your continued support. It's very much appreciated, and you know, it just helps fund this channel, because millinery ain't cheap. So if you want to see your name here as well as part of any of the tiers, then check out my Patreon in the description box below, which I've got tiers starting from £1 per month. And I'm wearing my my merch. Now I am, you know, I'm probably going to do a photo shoot and I'm probably going to launch it properly, but I have been saying in the videos for a while I do have merch, and I finally have my sample turned up. So you can see here, this is my AB Crystal haul, ta-da! And this is designed by me. It's, you know, all my own design, and It is available for purchase in the link down below. Oh, I've just dropped my microphone. It's available for purchase in the description box below. Now, if you're not a fan of the term whore, then that's not a problem. I do have AB Crystal Queen as well, so it's exactly the same, it just says Queen at the bottom, so that's, you know, something for everyone. Well, that is my time at the Royal Easter Show, part of the Millinery Association of Australia. Thank you very much for watching. It's been great. I have loved every second of it, and I would love to see how this goes on in the future. So stay tuned for maybe more things regarding the association at another point. I don't know. Anyway, I have been John, you have been great. I love you all. I will see you later. Bye.